Hey, you guys. It's literally me. We've been through this. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Happy GOTHMAS! So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing one of the Melt Cosmetics mystery boxes that I picked up on their Black Friday sale. Not that I was in the market for Melt Cosmetics because I do have a lot of their palettes, but they did have a pretty decent sale on their mystery boxes. I believe this one was $25 and then they had a $75 one. I went ahead and got the $25 one because Melt to me is like hit or miss. There's some things that I think work really, really well, and then there are some things that I don't think work very well. So I thought for $25, like I couldn't really go wrong, especially since they said every $25 box did include one palette. So I was like, all right, let's take a chance and see if I get one that I don't have. So we are going to unbox this baby together and see what we got. So this is the mailer box that it comes in. Pretty typical. Let's go ahead and open her up. Typical Melt box with all of the pretty mouths. Some black tissue paper in here. You know, I love that. Looks like they have everything kind of all put together. And yes, there is a palette in there and some more thingies. So let's go ahead and see what we got. This box did cost $25. They were also doing free shipping on Black Friday. So I think with tax and everything, I only paid like $26 and some change. I also have my laptop pulled up right here. So I'm going to enter each thing that I get to pull up the retail price, and then we can add it up at the end and see if we did get a value. Okay, so the first item is this really cute little boxed lipstick. This apparently is called the Melt Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Blood Wine. Very cute little box. I really do like Melt's packaging. It's probably what gets me on them every time. They kind of have that like alternative aesthetic that's like a little bit dark, which I really, really do like. I do like me a lipstick. However, I do feel like some of Melt's lip products are a little bit drying. Okay, so she's a very cute little metal component. Very, very cute. I like that a lot. So let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, it is a very pretty color. And the actual lipstick itself has some kind of embossing on it. It looks like it says Melt Cosmetics in a bunch of different fonts. Ooh, I like that a lot. I do think that it's a very pretty color. Now, according to the website, this is a deep sangria ultra matte lipstick, and it does retail for $22. So I like that a lot. I might have to give that a try, although I do feel like with something like this, I'm going to have to really prep my lips before I put it on. Like I said, I think Melt's lip products are drying, so I'll definitely put some balm on and do a mask and try and put this on and possibly put a topper or a gloss on top of it. But super, super cute. I'm actually kind of happy to have it. All right, next product that we have looks like a Perfectionist lip pencil. This definitely looks like it's from the Amore Mariposas line, which I do have the eyeshadow palette and face palette, which I do like both of those a lot. I also really like the brush set that they have, and unfortunately I saw in the large mystery box you got that brush set, so I was like, well, shoot. But you know, that's what you get with mystery boxes. You just never know. This is a very cute gold lip pencil. It is in the shade Familia, which looks kind of like a deep purple. Let's see. The website does say that it is a blackened plum lip pencil. It actually says retail value is $19, but on their site right now, it's on sale for $5. So that's the way the mystery box goes for you guys. Listen. This is a black plum color, I would say purplish, and I am not a fan of sharpening lip pencils, so I am actually going to rebox this and I'm putting it in the 1,000 subscribers giveaway, so just be on the lookout. If you could please subscribe so that I can hit that 1,000 mark before February, or, you know, hopefully close to it. I'm going to set this in there. I have a big box of makeup that I'm going to be giving away, so this is definitely going in there. All right, the next product that we have is an all-day, everyday eyeliner. So this looks like a black matte pencil eyeliner. I really do wish it was a liquid eyeliner because, you know, pencils are good for me for my waterline when I decide to do that because I don't do it often because my eyes are pretty sensitive, but I like to have a good one of these for my waterline when I do decide to do that. So I'm happy to have this. It does say our favorite liner ever. The black is black. Everyone needs their everyday black eyeliner. Glides on smooth and goes on pitch black. Again, melt with the marketing and me. It's like two peas in a pod. This actually retails for $17 on their website. It is not on sale, so we are definitely going to count that $17 in there. But really, yet another item that I've never tried and I'm really happy to have, so not mad at it. So the next item looks like a liquid lipstick, which I'm very excited about. And what's funny is on here, it just is called Liquid Set Lipstick. But on the website, it's actually called B-Movie Liquid Lipstick, which makes me like it like even more. I really do like liquid lipsticks as long as they are not incredibly drying, but I like wearing them more because I do get more of an opaque finish and they last like so much longer than stick lipstick. So this one is in the shade Maya. Oh, I love this packaging. I love this packaging. It's kind of like a metal tube. It's got the logo in like a see-through thing and then the mount and color in like another see-through window on the back. Really like that a lot. I do think this looks like a really good color. It's kind of like a dark wine red. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna give that a shot for sure. I have tried my fair share of liquid lipsticks and never tried one of their liquid lipsticks, and I am very excited to give it a shot. So very happy to have that one. This one actually on the website retails for $19. It is not on sale either. So I guess that's kind of a win. All right, you know we got to save the best for last. Let's see here. Ooh, all right. So this is Melt's 420 palette. Again, me, Melt, and their marketing hitting the spot, if you know what I mean. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. How exciting. I definitely do not have this palette. So right there is a win. I do kind of, though, remember some reviews that I watched a long time ago when they released this that not everyone loved it. And, you know, I can't hate them on that. I do have my love-hate relationship with Melt. So, I mean, I am all for trying it, though. Oh, this is such a cute thing. It's another lenticular type print on the front. This is actually a product called Shatter. If you don't know, this is a very concentrated form of cannabis. Actually, I think it's the most concentrated form. So very cool that they put that on there. Let's go ahead and open her up. See, I have seen these in videos, but I've never seen it in person, and it is actually very, very stunning. I mean, I definitely do not have some of these colors in my collection, and the way that Melt works on me is like a very smoky, grungy look. So these colors actually, I think, are gonna work out pretty good if I can figure out how they play. Let's see, the website says striking array of potent yellows, amber neutrals, and a hint of green inspired by the vivid hues and tones found in Shatter. And it's hit or miss with Melt, depending on the pigment type that they use and how it lays on people's eyes. It's, you know, it can come out amazingly gorgeous, which I have seen some photos come out so gorgeous using this palette. I've also seen people that have a really hard time using it. So I am going to take it upon myself to try. And if you'd like to see me try a look with this in a video, please comment down below. I'd be more than happy to like kind of do it with you guys. I would do it with all of you guys. According to their website, that palette retails for $58. It is not on sale. So really, if we're talking about just this palette alone, it's over 2 times the amount that I paid for the entire box. So all right, so if we add everything up together for the lipstick, the eyeliner, the liquid lipstick, the lip pencil, which will be going in the next giveaway, and the 420 palette, it comes to a total of $135 for everything. So really, with the $26 that I paid for the mystery box itself, I definitely made my money over. Whether or not these products work for me, that's just the gamble that you take on a mystery box. But I do really like Milk Cosmetics, or I at least like trying them. Again, the packaging and the marketing gets to me, and I do have some palettes that I really do like from them. So excited to try all of this out. Comment down below if you know anything about any of these products, and if you have any tips or tricks on the eyeshadow and or the lip products. I would be very interested to know. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment just like I asked you to, that would be even awesomer. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping, GOTHMAS, life antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.